see him over there? He's cooking over there.
Have you been to Chinatown?
No.
Like,
First time.
But no, this is soft Chinatown. There's the real Chinatown, and it's pretty crazy, right? Like,
yeah.
It's pretty overwhelming, but it's a few blocks out. Actually, it's like probably 15 minutes walk.
Look like a restaurant. What is that there? It looked like he's cooking inside there. There you go. You see him over there? He's cooking over there. No, I don't have to though.
Not yet.
Not yet. I eat fried rice and chicken probably 2 or 3 times a week.
Oh, yeah.
I love Thai food.
Yesterday, I was doing something this
This is Japanese, I think.
They make anything from motorbikes to candles, you know?
Yeah,
or
I
like
know.
A toaster or whatever.
They make toasters. I was at one gym in Tokyo. They had weights.
Yamaha weights?
Yamaha weights. I'm like, damn.
I never thought they could be elevated from here.
It's tax. It's on the gas, I'm not quite sure.
Why not get money in general?
Like VAT or that is 24 or something. It's high, yeah.
Yeah, I saw it.
Everything is possible.
I saw an accident already. Look how he all scratched up. He's done this a couple times.
What kind of Pretty close there.
Easy.
You need to park the motorbikes that way. You had crab? I had crab.
I had crab and mushroom. And
Oh no, I didn't.
You had something else.
I had just regular.
Mine should have an egg on there, I guess.
Why couldn't that have been chicken? That would have been perfect.
Yeah. No
looks
kid.
like it.
No kid. Taco Bell. Wow.
Yeah, if they
It's same thing. Omelet.
the
though.
omelet?
Yeah, fried omelet with omelet. It's the omelet being the egg.
All right.
Noodles, yeah, noodles. Yeah.
Do this.
you got
Thank you.
noodles.
Yeah.
Got a few different things here. What we got?
I'm still gonna be hungry, but it's a good start.
We'll have snacks at the place. Let's do a little. I like this as well.
All right.
Album covers on the wall.
I believe so. This was last year, November.
It's tiny.
Oh, it's yours over there.
Good. I'm done with the rice stuff. A lot of rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a heap of rice.